Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Modesty is the upper portion of his lips, hankering is his chin, religion is the breast of the Lord, and irreligion is his back. Brahmaji, who generates all living beings in the material world, is his genitals, and the Mitra Varans are his 2 testicles. The ocean is his waist, and the hills and mountains are the stacks of his bones. The Supreme Lord is not impersonal, as misconceived by less intelligent thinkers. Rather, he is the Supreme Person, as confirmed in all authentic Vedic literatures. But his personality is different from what we can conceive. It is stated here that Brahmaji acts as his genitals, and that the Mitravarans are his 2 testicles. This means that as a person he is complete with all bodily organs, but they are of different types with different potencies. When the Lord is described as impersonal, therefore, it should be understood that his personality is not exactly the type of personality found within our imperfect speculation. One can, however, worship the Lord even by seeing the hills and mountains, or the ocean and the sky, as different parts and parcels of the gigantic body of the Lord, the Virat Purush. The Virat Roop, as exhibited by Lord Krishna to Arjun, is a challenge to the unbelievers.